Hello and welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today it's easy and it's quick, not so healthy but really good for the soul. I'm gonna make a very quick toffee sauce. Butter, brown sugar. Just gonna let that melt. I'm gonna lower the heat and add the cream. We're going to leave that to bubble away a little bit until it starts to thicken. When you cut it with a spoon like this and it leaves this kind of trail, it's ready. Pour it in a clean container. And that's toffee syrup ready. This is still hot, but when it cools down, I promise it's going to thicken.